again, this is for like, you know, mga the broken. Ayaw ko ba yung mga kanta ko? Bakit ba masasak? Hindi naman ako, wala naman ako sama ng loob. Ikaw ba may sama ng loob ka dyan? Nakapangalumbaba ka. May problema ka ba? Anong problema mo? Sabihin mo, anong gusto mo? Anong problema mo? Bored ka ba? Bakla ka ba? Alam na ba ng nanay mo? Alam ba ng tatay mo? Hindi. Hindi nga, anong problema? Anong problema, te? Nakakangawit dyan. Mataas ka na nga, ba't ka pa nangawit? Ikaw naman. O sige, mga lumbaba ka ulit. Same lang. Okay. Okay. Let me just check. Ano bang sunod? Nakalimutan ko na rin eh. Sa'yo na. O dyan, there's na. Okay. Okay. I said earlier that I had a chance. I was given the opportunity to also do movies. And it's wonderful being able to work with great artists. And it also doesn't hurt that they're cute. Oh, pinaghahalikan ko sila lahat. You know, when I started to do movies, people who were very close to me, they were kind of worried because they know I was a virgin. Wow. Baka daw mapagsamantalahan ako. Alam mo na, baka they'll take advantage of me. Ang hindi nila alam. Ako ang nag-take advantage. Diba? Diyos ko, chance ko na yun. Mahalikan mo si Aga Mula. Ganon. Mahalikan mo si Richard Gomez. Ito! Ano ba? Buti nilang wala yung asawa ko dito. Anyway. This is a beautiful song, once again, written by my husband during the time we were shooting this movie, and I told him, again, the story. And actually, isa to sa mga pinakagusto kong isinulat ni Ogie Alcacid. I think it has such a beautiful melody. And tonight, I'd like to sing it for all of you. Well, we would like to sing it. Ang buhay ko ito, mahal mo rin ako. Mr. Piolo Pascual!
Thank you, Reg. Happy Valentine's.
Happy Valentine's.
Thank you for spending it with me.
Oo nga, noong Valentine ko this year. Thank you so much for being with me
Anytime,
tonight.
Reg.
Thank you. Lamig ng kamay. Bakit ka nanginginig?
Malamig eh. Ganda mo kasi ngayon eh.
Ano ba?
Bakit blooming ka?
Wala lang. Nadidiligan. Wow!
Easy!
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 Thank you so much, Mr. Piolo Pascual! Wala na, huli na kayo na pagsamantalahan ko na yun. I'm sorry to say.